Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about Lionsgate Entertainment, and the important aspect of this particular chart is the stock is very stable. The stock is indeed very stable, and as you can see, this is the monthly chart, so you may not get that vibe of volatility, but from the highs of from the mid of 2021, there is a volatility, but this is very minimal, from $21 to $11, right? And then again $15-16 right now. So this as far as the absolute price movement is concerned, this is very minimal and has been trading in between a range. So let us discuss about this strong chart of Lionsgate Entertainment. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button, also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notifications. But before starting the video, there are this stock is segregated into class A and class B. I'm talking about LGFA. So this is the class A share. So as you can see, the class A share I'm talking about, there is a class B as well, but I'm talking about the class A share because there is a price differential. If you're looking at the stock chart of price lines chart, class A and class B. So we are talking about class A. Now, as far as the overall chart is concerned, what do we have here? So as far as the overall chart of the range is concerned, this is what we have here. So your previous resistance is now working as a support. That is what you can clearly see as far as the range is concerned. So what do we have here? We have $12 on the downside and we have 13.11, right? So these are your immediate support. So 13.11 is your immediate support, whereas $12, which is your stop loss as far as the long immediate chart of Lionsgate Entertainment class A share stock chart is concerned, right? So this is what we have here. Now, how to define the trend or the range out of it? So that's a very big question, because if only the stock continues to sustain above $30, we will have any movement on the upside. So there are ways to look at this stock chart, but if I'll find something which will act as a middleman, why I'm saying this, because there are two ways with which you can look the trend, but let me find out a way which will help me to define both the aspects at once. So if I draw a line like this, what you can have here, you have your previous trend, right? As you can see, this was your previous range or the trend. So let me simply adjust this chart a bit, and yeah, I think this will be it, right? I think this will be it, and this is what we have here as far as the trend or the range is concerned. So this is the lower end of the range, right, as far as your previous range was concerned, and this is the higher end of the range, right? And the stock has been trading in between this range from 2000 till 2013. Then we have a shift in the trend, but overall this was your previous range. Now here comes the interesting thing. If the stock continues to sustain above $13, the primary range we have here is in between $27 and $38. So this is the range, because we don't know how much time it will take to consolidate above $13. But what we are looking at, that whether the stock moves like this or like this, we have a range in place. So this support line, okay, will act as a resistance, and at the same time it will be your immediate targets on the upside. Now the big thing is, once the stock made a breakout like this, okay, it will enter. If the stock enters in your previous range, it will activate your old trend. It will definitely activate your old trend or the range, in which case once the stock makes a breakout or enter in this way, your previous trend will get activated, in which case the big range that will open up in front of you is in between 130 and 220 or $230 on the upside. So this range will get activated. So first we will start with very simple, with the stop loss of $12. If the stock continues to sustain above $13, we have our first range, which is in between 27 and 36. But over a period of time in the upcoming months or years, the big range will expand, and the big trend that we are going to look at is in between 130 and 220 or 230 as far as the long-term trend of Lionsgate Entertainment Class A share is concerned. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for